Welcome to our Spiritual Awakening Guidance Series. Be sure to watch the whole video as we answer the question, what happens after spiritual awakening?
This series is an introduction to our spiritual healing and personal development courses.
Make sure you catch all the videos, like Pokemon, gotta catch them all. In this series, in the link below for all the juicy spiritual awakening tips.
Wherever you are in your journey, we are here to help.
If you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From SunroseGarden.com,
home of our intuitive awakening community and Zen-Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where in the world you are watching from.
And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
In our last spiritual awakening video, we talked about the phases you go through until you get to the place where you are walking your path. By the time you get there, that hero archetype has been awakened, and now it is ready to help the world. So you're ready to be a healer. But does the world really need another healer? And what does healer mean to you?
It is very common for people to wake up to the idea of being a healer after their spiritual awakening. But what exactly does it mean to be a healer? Even though one of the most common steps into the healing world is to get your Reiki attunement, right? The gateway drug.
Gonna jump you in.
At least to healing. And you think this is it. It probably isn't it. It might just be a stepping off point to find out what you are really good at in the healing niche. It might be some specialty that you hadn't even considered, because at this point you are just getting started.
In the beginning, you are a dabbler. You try all the things. Raise your hand if this is you. Do that, though, until you land on the one thing that you can picture yourself being the best at. Something that feels like you've done it for lifetimes.
Absolutely. And at this point, this might be spiritual counseling. This might be tarot reading. This might be hypnotherapy. It might be some other special recipe that you come up, on your own with. It might be even something more traditional like nursing. But you have a secret weapon. You got your Reiki and a deeper understanding of life.
You may be a hospice nurse or a social worker that helps troubled kids. There are a million ways you can become the healer you are drawn to be once you are through your spiritual awakening. But whatever that turns out to be, it should feel totally aligned with your authenticity.
Boom, there you go. And that is the tip for the day. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series, just like Pokemon, gotta catch them all, using the link below to get a better understanding of your spiritual awakening. If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community, where we specialize in helping awakening empaths, intuitives, and psychics step into confidence and clarity.
If you're ready to level up beyond that, you can check out our metaphysical school and community Zen-Ed Academy.
Be sure to check out the links in the description and see if it resonates for you. Since you've watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
Hit it hard. And if you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe
and spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource. The fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, your skills, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more, be sure to binge on all the other videos that we got around here for you. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.